Hi Year 5 and hi everyone else from Paddocks. I hope you're all well. I thought I'd do a quick video today and we're going to play bingo, and it's going to be linked to our times tables. So this is for Year 5, but it's also for kind of Year 3 upwards, I would say. Today we're going to focus on our 7s and 8s times tables, so hope you've been practicing those. And the first thing I want you to do is create a 3x3 grid. I've used squiggly lines, but you can use straight lines if you want to. But you need to have 9 boxes because this is going to be your bingo grid. Okay, so get a blank piece of paper and create that. Once you've done that, I would like you to fill each box with a multiple of 8. Okay, so a multiple of 8 is any number in the 8 times tables from 0 times 8 up to 12 times 8, please. Okay, so pause the video and fill it with multiples of 8. Okay, I'm going to quickly do mine. Okay, once you've filled your bingo grid with multiples of 8, it should look something like that. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to read out a multiplication question, and if you have the answer, I want you just to put a cross through it like that. Okay, we're going to play for a row first of all, so you need to have 3 across, 3 down or 3 diagonal to get the point. Okay, once you've got the row, we're going to play for a full house. Now I won't know when you've got a row or not, so you need to just tell the person at home. You could play maybe against a sibling or something and see who's the first to get a bingo. Okay, so it should look like that, and we're going to begin our game now. I want you to cross out the right answers. Okay, the first one is 3 times 8. Work it out. If you've got the number, cross it out. You should have crossed out 24. Okay, next one is 5 times 8. Have a think. Have you got that number? The answer was 40. Next one is 8 times 2. Double 8. The answer was 16. Well done. Some of you might already have a row. Okay, next one. What is the product of 4 and 8? That just means 4 times 8. And the answer was 32. Well done. Okay, next one. What is 8 squared? Wonder if you can remember what I mean by that. 8 squared means 8, lots of 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. Well done. Next one. 10 times 8. 10 times 8 is 80. Okay, after that we're going to do 12 multiplied by 8. That's a tricky one, isn't it? And the answer was 96. I wonder if you crossed that one out. Okay, we've got 8 times 9. Wonder if you can use the trick to help you. 8 times 9. The answer was 72. Wonder if anyone's got a bingo yet. Okay, next one is 7 multiplied by 8. Remember the trick? 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer was 56. Then we've got 1 times 8. And the answer is 8. 11 times 8. 88. We must have some bingos already. If you're still playing, the next number is 6 times 8. And your answer to that one was 48. And then last but not least, we're going to do 8 multiplied by 0. Don't get mixed up. The answer is 0. Well done. Okay, so hopefully you got a bingo before I got to the end there. Now I want you to get a new piece of paper or rub it out, and we're going to draw a new 9 square grid. So 3 by 3, just like this. And this time, I want you to fill it with a multiple of 7, up to 12 times 7. Okay, so pause the video and fill it with multiples of 7. Okay, does yours look like mine? You should have 9 multiples of 7. Okay, here we go. We're going to play for a row first of all. So your first question is 1 times 7. Of course, the answer was 7. After that, we've got 5 multiplied by 7. And the answer was 35. Next up, we've got 7 squared. Hopefully you can remember that means 7 times 7. And your answer to that one was 49. Okay, next up, we've got my favourite one, 7 times 8, or 8 times 7. The answer was 56. Okay, next up, we've got 3 times 7. I wonder if anyone's got a row yet. 3 times 7 is 21. After that, we've got 7 multiplied by 4. 4 lots of 7. And the answer was 28. After that, we've got 7 times 9. Use your fingers to help you. The answer was 63. Wonder if anyone's got a bingo yet. 7 times 11. The answer was 77. Okay, next up we've got 10 times 7, a nice easy one. 10 times 7 is 70. Followed by 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Then we've got 0 times 7. Don't get caught out. 0. Then 2 times 7. Double 7.